This fucking video was not intended for children. It was made for a general audience of adults and older individuals who enjoy the franchise. With that being said, enjoy the fucking video.
The Fat Controller had recently purchased a tram engine to help run the quarry line on the Ffarquhar branch after a constable had given him grief for not making Thomas wear cow catchers or side plates. His name was Toby. He brought with him a very chipper attitude and his faithful coach Henriette. Together, they take workmen to and from the quarry, as well as stone trucks. Sometimes, they can be seen helping Thomas pull passengers along the line too. It did not take the pair long to become accommodated with their new life on the Northwestern Railway. One day, Toby was resting at the top station. He had been working hard all day and was enjoying a rest, till a startling noise awoke him. Hello there, name's Betty. Say, I don't remember seeing you around here. Does your controller really need 2 engines to try to keep the schedule with me? Ha ha! What are those ugly things you're wearing?
These
Toby said indignantly.
are me cowcatchers and side plates. They protect animals, people, and even road vehicles such as yourself from...
Oh, I get it now. Haha, you're frightened of what a road vehicle could do to you.
Now you see here,
Toby was once again cut off. Well, I would love to stay and chat, old-timer, but I have a timetable to keep to. We all can't sit on our rear axles all day. That's all for now.
Rotten road roamer.
The following day, Toby was trundling up the branch with a line of empty stone trucks to return to the quarry.
There goes that Barney bus again. It's a wonder he stays on the road how he's up about Henrietta. Why, I have half a mind to... Goodness gracious me. Are you alright, Henrietta?
Yes, Toby, I'm fine, dear. I can't believe how close that bubble-headed bus came to causing a serious accident, though.
They're right there.
That evening, Toby told Thomas all about what had happened earlier.
And then, whoosh, right over the crossing he went. No regard for his safety or that of his passengers whatsoever.
Haha, well, that's Bertie for you. He may seem rude and full of himself, but he's no harm, really. Toby just frowned.
Henrietta and I dealt with buses like him on our old tramway, Thomas. Road vehicles are nothing but nuisances who don't pay attention to what they're doing and can cause some serious accidents.
Well, Bertie may be a bit careless and conceited sometimes, but he's never caused an accident before. I don't see any harm in letting him do his job as he sees fit. You should really try to talk to him, Toby. He's an alright bloke when you get to know him. Toby said nothing and huffed away. Dark clouds loomed over the island the next morning. Toby, who was still upset from the events of yesterday, was quite careless when he was shunting and bumped the trucks hard. A heavy downpour was soon cast as Toby was ready to take his first stone train down the tram line. As Toby passed through Ffarquhar, he heard a very familiar sound.
Oi, boss! I want a word with you.
Stop! The crossing ahead's blocked.
Eh? Oh, goodness! Brakes, Henry, brakes!
Both tram and coach braked hard. But the trucks had other plans. Blimey, are you two alright?
I think so. Can you get your driver to phone for help?
I'm afraid I can't. The storm's knocked out the phone lines. But don't worry though. I'll get down to Ellsbridge and have help up here before you know it. And with the roar of his engine, Bertie raced down the branch. Betty soon made it to Ellsbridge and got help. Thanks to Toby's cowcatchers, neither car nor tram were injured, and both were repaired rather quickly. Ah!
Well. Look who's sitting on his rear axle now.
Ah, you got me there, old-timer. Glad to see you aren't hurt. Those cowcatchers of yours came in pretty handy after all. Caroline hardly had a scratch on her.
Well, I'm glad to hear that. I also wanted to apologize for what I said about you, Bertie. I was wrong in assuming you were just a rowdy, troublemaking bus. You're a real credit to the roads.
Ah, don't mention it. I know I can get a bit full of myself sometimes, but I really didn't mean any ill will towards you, old...
Toby. My name's Toby.
Right. Sorry about that. Anyway, Toby, that'll probably be the last time you see me racing around the branch for a while.
Oh? And why is that?
I got caught speeding past a constable. I don't know why I'm laughing. It's a really expensive ticket.